So let's talk about writing off your business expenses if you're taking the standard deduction. So there's a misconception that if you're taking the standard deduction, you can't write off your business expenses, and that's just not true. So I think the confusion comes from itemized expenses versus the standard deduction. So itemized expenses are very specific things like mortgage interest, local taxes paid, medical expenses, and charitable deductions. And you can choose to either write those off on your return or take the standard deduction. In 2022, the standard deduction for a single filer is $12,950. So you would need to have, your medical expenses, your mortgage interest, taxes, which are limited to $10,000. Those would have to add up to more than $12,950 for a single filer for it to make sense to take itemized deductions. However, if you're self-employed, your business expenses are not itemized deductions. Those are actually directly subtracted from the gross income from your business. And those are reported on Schedule C versus your itemized deductions, which are reported on Schedule A. So even if you're taking the standard deduction, you are still entitled to write off any necessary and ordinary expense for your business. So things that you need in order to do your job.